Systems check complete on aircraft 452. Fuel levels confirmed.
Armament systems green, ready for deployment.
Checklist complete. Arming sequence initiated on Station 3.
Confirmed. Systems are hot.
Comms check, Radio 1. How copy?
Loud and clear, Viper 2-9er. Weapon systems armed and secure.
Zulu Bravo, systems nominal. Calibrating INS now. Copy that. Power levels stable on my end. Calibrating nav systems now, looking good. Missile launch interlocks engaged. Confirming weapon system status.
Adjusting the turbine inlet temperature here should improve high altitude efficiency.
Agreed. Let's run the numbers on the tail rotor pitch concurrently.
Cooling capacity must be sufficient for the upgraded avionics loadout.
Agreed. The vibration harmonics on the tail rotor assembly are still redlining.
Look at the avionics suite integration here. Are we sure the new wiring harness fits the existing conduits?
According to the revised blueprints on the main
vehicle. Based on these projections, adjusting the intake manifold here should increase thrust efficiency.
And integrating base. Adjusting the manifold geometry increases airflow efficiency.
That conflicts with the propulsion specs. We must prioritize high temp tolerances.
This configuration increases the MTBF by nearly 20%.
Provided the linkages are installed correctly.
All right, the torque is released on this one. Copy that. Moving it to the transport case now.
This bearing shows signs of stress corrosion.
Recommend we replace the entire assembly. Look at the tolerance here on the main shaft. Yep. Copy that. Logging the discrepancy now.
Secure that line before you pull the manifold. Copy that.
Moving the labeled parts to crate 3.
Hydraulic connection secure. Verified continuity on the harness. Looks good. Ready for the power-up sequence.
Check the torque on the main rotor bolts.
Torque is reading within limits.
Feathering bearing looks solid. Let's sign off on the hydraulics.
Rotor engagement looks nominal.
Systems check complete. Ready for spool down.
Flight controls check good. Testing backup hydraulics now.
Copy that. Monitoring the fluctuation on the main display.
Avionics checks complete. System status is green. Confirmed. All readings nominal. Flight controls checked. Ready for power up. Systems check complete on bay 3. All parameters nominal. Affirmative. Closing access panel now. Confirmed secure.
Navigation alignment sequence initiated. Stand by for telemetry confirmation.
Telemetry locked. Systems showing green across the board.
Continuity on the Zulu 5-2 connector.
Confirmed in the cockpit. Status shows all green.
Conduits secured. Avionics panel locked.
Radar systems fully calibrated. All sensors online.
Comm panel checks complete. Systems are green.
Copy that. Inputting the data now. Avionics secure. Avionics clear. Comms check 1-2. Loud and clear. Viper 2-1. Systems green.
All right, ease it forward onto the ramp. Watch the clearance on the rotors. Holding steady, Chief. Winch engaged. Is that strap secure on your end?
Yes, locked down.
Ratcheting the forward harness now.
Confirm green on those harnesses.
Starboard side secure.
Avionics locked down, ready for transport.
Clear the ramp. We are moving the load now.
Starboard side clear. Watch the gap.
Hold steady. Easy forward. Check the tension on those straps.
Armaments confirmed. Secure, sir.
Confirmed pressure is off the hydraulics.
Pressure is showing 0, loud and clear.
Copy.
Is the number 3 black box seated correctly?
Affirmative. Ready for panel closure.
Avionics secure. Confirming all green for closeout.
Pre-flight checklist complete. Initiating engine start sequence.
We have green on all systems. Go now! Final checks complete. Targeting pod is hot. Rotor engagement sequence initiated. Stand clear. Targeting pod is secured. Running diagnostics now.
Systems check complete. Everything is green in the cockpit.
Installation complete. Systems check is good.
She looks lethal in the morning light. Ready to fly.
The Viper's legacy is defined by its adaptability and overwhelming firepower,
known for its lethal precision and advanced avionics.
Viper 2-1, systems check complete. Requesting clearance for immediate takeoff.
Steady on the starboard side. We're clear for the lift.
Lifting rotors now. Keep an eye on the clearance.
The armament capabilities alone redefined multi-role missions.
Precisely. Its impact on close air support doctrine cannot.
The structural integrity allowed for the increased payload.
Secure that panel. We need to run the diagnostic checks now. Torque checks complete on station 3.
Confirming green status on the tablet. Ready for final sign-off.
Locking mechanism torque to spec. Final pull check complete. Munition is seated. Acknowledged. Log it.
Viper 2-1, ground check complete. Ordnance secured.
Finalizing external checks on the fuselage now.
Confirmed. Munitions are secure and the bird is fueled. Ready for launch authorization.
Munitions pod secure on the starboard wing.
Confirmed. Running final checks now. Mounting bolts secure. Harness connected. Confirmed. Viper 2 is armed and ready. Final alignment check complete. Ready for torque. Copy that. Finalizing attachment sequence now. Tightening the forward latch now. Verify the connection seating. Green indicator light is solid.
Pod secured on pylons 2 and 3.
Electrical connections checked and locked. Ready for manifest.
Confirmed. Good to go. Umbilical secure on station 4.
Confirmed. Connection looks good. Umbilical 1 secure. Check. Umbilical 2 secure. Confirm the connection on pod 3. Umbilical secure. Secure. Continuity check complete. Good to go. Pods 1 through 4 secure.
Confirming avionics interface check complete.
Green status across the board. Ready for launch sequence verification. This connection point needed adjustment. It's secure now.
Copy that. Ready for power-up sequence.
AH initialization sequence started.
Confirming continuity on all pins.
Ensure the connection is torqued to specifications. Reading green, connector secured.
Avionics connections complete.
AAAS conduits secured and green.
Rotor mast clear for inspection.
Check the conduits on the AH system.
Conduits connected and secure. Powering up avionics now.
Inspecting station 4. Conduits look good. Confirmed continuity on the AH-1Z. All green.
Aircraft 471 is green across the board. We are fueled, armed, and ready for deployment.
Final checks complete. Spooling up. Clear the area. Roger that. Moving out.